Hi, and welcome to NTS. We are a small dealer in Irving, Texas, right between Dallas and Fort Worth, Texas, that specializes in reconditioning and redoing, making completely dependable used handicap vans. What we specialize is anywhere between $10,000 and $40,000 vans. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the evening. We have a fully accessible facility here. You will see nice little waiting area. Everything is indoors. All my vehicles are kept indoors. This is our office manager here.
Hello, I'm Myra. I'll be happy to assist you with all your paperwork and title work. Y también se habla español. Nomás pregunte por Mayra.
Thank you. We have a little small offices, not a lot of overhead. We try to keep the pricing as low as we can so we make you the best possible deal. Here's one of the owners, Monty.
Hey, David. Hello. Yes, I'm Monty. We welcome you to take a look at our facility here, and we want you to know that we do build relationships here at National Transportation Solutions, and we'll do whatever we can do to earn your business. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You'll see if you go down the halls here, all my stuff is kept indoors. We have a small facility. Again, we have a little warehouse here. Here's one of our office people here to take care of you in the warehouse.
How you
Hello,
doing?
Augustine. You'll see all my stuff is indoors, and we have everything from full-size vans to small vans, a little bit older stuff to some newer stuff. Everything, once it's ready and set to go, we get it back in here. That way it stays clean and ready for you to pick up. This is our warehouse manager, Juan, here. He takes care of getting all the calls all around, and he'll always... Thank you, sir. He will take care of you and make sure if you come in and need any questions or anything like that we'll get you fixed up. All my stuff comes in. We have two different mechanics. They take care of everything when they come in. They check them over. They order all the parts. Then we send them to an outside place to get them serviced. This is our head mechanic, Kevin, here.
Hello everybody. I'm here to make sure that your lift's working properly and your van is running smoothly by the time you pick it up.
Thank you, sir.
You're so welcome.
So you'll see, he also will check stuff over after when it comes back in, make sure it's just 100% ready to go. That's the biggest thing we do. We try to make sure the vans are completely serviced, that there's no surprises, that you get what you're paying for, you get what you expect, that we've explained everything to you and all. So I am David. I'm the one you'll be working with most of the time. So I look forward to meeting everybody out there, and feel free to call us with any questions that you have.